What's up, y'all? Back Ari with a new video of I am just Ari. I am just Ari. What's up, gang? What's the dealio, Martilio? Let's get into the realio. Anyway, y'all, what's good? I know it's been a long minute, maybe about like a week or two since the last time y'all seen me. I know, maybe 2 weeks. I think it's been 2 weeks since the last time. Why did it just get so dark? And don't come for me. I know I'm looking super regular. I got on my babe shirt. I just got off the clock. I'm tired a little bit, but I know you read the title down below. We're gonna stand right here so y'all can see me because that light was just not lightning, okay? But yeah, y'all. So, like I was saying, if you know you read this title down below, yes, this will be my AR.
What?
ASMR type of video, sort of, kind of. I'm gonna be reorganizing and cleaning up my room currently. I do have a sit down video that will be coming out very soon. I just have to edit and do it, and yeah, so it's coming. I mean, like, I know I said this a few months ago, or a few weeks ago, that I really want to have a sit down video, but I really want to do that, especially with getting into the new year, with so much that I want to do this year. Also, I noticed that I have gained 7 new subscribers. So if you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing. And to my newbies, y'all, it's only up from here. Don't forget to share my page, like my page, subscribe to the channel. Y'all always talk about y'all want to see the goofy Ari, the playful Ari, the realist Ari, the raw, the her, the ones that y'all really don't see on social media too much. So what are you doing? Subscribe. Right there. You know, you love me. You love me. Let's get to the video. Y'all, what the hell? What is going on? I don't even know what's going on, but yeah, werewolves. Anyway, y'all, so this will bring it to the end of the video. I did clean up. It looks so much better. Do I got it zoomed out? Yeah, I do got it zoomed out. So much better. That's my little trash bag from everything. I gotta vacuum my floor, so that's the last thing to do. And then I did fix my my gaming setup and also my working setup. I do work from home, so yeah, so my 2 monitors and my lovely PC that I gotta get for myself, for my 25th. Anyway, there's a mirror there, hi, with my little makeup stuff, and then my other laptop with my iPad. Yeah. Oh, and here is my mic. I stream on Twitch and on TikTok with my gaming side, and y'all, this will be like, I freaking love that. Love Ari. Oh, look at the flowers, babe. It got me so cute. I know, right? And then of course the flower bear. Yes. Oh, and I do sell these. Yes, I have a whole website where I sell these. It's called Lavish Lush Collection LLC. You heard that right. It'll be in the somewhere in the video somewhere right here area. But yeah, so I do sell those, and I do sell like the artificial roses that last forever as well. And now my website is currently down right now because I still am working on it, but right now I probably won't even have the link in the video, and then you probably can't even hear me fully because I'm watching Quan and Kia a little vlog video. So yeah, and then of course I need to finish cleaning and doing my laundry as well, but we ain't gonna worry about that. And I do want to have this door taken down eventually, because I really don't even need this door anymore. Like, it's just in the way. It's in the way. Bye. All right, you guys, so I lied. That wasn't the end of the video. So I ended up stopping at Kroger because I am craving some literal I can't talk. Literal, I think, I forget it. I don't know. I'm trying to pronounce the word with every soul. Like, I don't know. But I want some salt and vinegar chips. So I'm stopping at Kroger, and then I also want a smoothie. I don't even know what I'm doing for Valentine's Day. I really don't even know. And it's so funny that people be like, girl, looking at me. But it's like you've never seen a YouTuber before. Popular. So, we got them. Period. So, and I did get the party size. Y'all, there is so many lines. Like, these lines are so full. Like, each and every lane is like full. Two is open. Two is open. I'm in my own little world, I swear. But yeah, tropical smoothie or just head home. Tropical smoothie or just head home, or go over to Babe's house. I don't know. Go see Babe. Maybe not. I might just stay in the house. I don't know. After me getting these chips, I'm satisfied. I really wanted some chips, but I'll see y'all at the destination. If not, I'm going home. Maybe not. Hopefully I ain't lying. Hopefully I'm not lying to myself. And again. All right, let me stop before I get copyrighted. But y'all, I lied again. I told y'all. I'm gonna stop lying to y'all. I really am. I'm gonna stop. But I ended up at McDonald's. So I turned my light on so y'all can see me, because I'm at McDonald's, and I'm just getting me a large caramel fried one because I have the rewards for it. This how you know I be at McDonald's too goddamn much, because ain't no fucking way. I literally just came. Oh my gosh, my camera dying, y'all. But y'all, I'm in this video out here. Love y'all. I am Ari is out. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and to always subscribe to my channel. More content on the way. Bye. Love y'all.